Watch how I can move triads down a whole step or 2 frets and then come back to the original triad, playing around with rhythm in the 12-bar blues in E. We're going to start with this E5 chord, strum it once. Then we're going to play an E triad at the 4th fret. It's basically just a D-shaped chord on the top 3 strings, strum it once. Take that shape, move it down a whole step or 2 frets, strum it once, and then go back to that original E triad. So you play something like this, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you can do the same thing for the 4 chord, just play that A5 chord once, then play the A triad at the 5th fret, and that's where your first finger is blocking the B in the high E string and your second finger is on the 6th fret of the G. Strum that once, top 3 strings go down a whole step, bring it back, so it's like, and then for the 5 chord, you can strum that B7 once, play the B triad at the 7th fret, do the same thing, it's the same shape as the A triad. Go back to that E chord. So you can play around with that, do something like this, 4 and 1 and 2